Which is the best Cheyenne tattoo machine for beginners? I make it short. It is the Hawk Pen. The Hawk Pen is a pen-shaped machine. By the way, we invented the pen-shaped machines. What is the benefit of a pen-shaped machine for a beginner? All beginners start with drawing. And when you draw, you have a pen in your hand. And it's quite easy to make the transfer from drawing to tattooing when you use a pen-shaped machine. Another argument is that the Hawk Pen has a stroke of 3.5 millimeters. On the one hand, it is enough to tattoo the most commonly tattoo styles. On the other hand, it's not the hardest hit you can get in our assortment. So when you're not familiar with how deep you can go into the skin, it is good to have a machine with a stroke that is not that big. Thanks for watching. If you have further questions, visit our webpage and use the contact form or post your questions below in the comments. See you soon!